Hi everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to do the unboxing of Pride Mobility's newest folding mobility scooter. It's called the GoGo Super Portable. Now this is one of the few folding mobility scooters that folds flat, so it's easy for storage, like under your bed on a cruise ship, or maybe under your bed in general at your house. It can sit upright, so it's easy for storage in your closet. And it is airline approved. It can support 300 pounds of weight. It has a 10-mile battery range. There's two color options, so you can choose from black or there's a mint color. So let's get into the unboxing and we'll show you some more about how this is unboxed. So because it's a folding mobility scooter, a lot of these folding scooters, folding power wheelchairs, there really isn't much assembly, but we just want to show you what to expect when you receive this. Now you do have the option for a white glove delivery, where this is shipped to a technician and they will unbox it, assemble it, make sure it's working properly. But honestly, you can save the money and it's not really necessary to do that. So remove this top and I'll get all of this cardboard off to the side here, but it looks like it's already assembled, as I suspected. So what else is inside the box? We have, this is like a front basket or storage area. So this goes on the tiller. We also have the charger. And here's the seat cushion. And that's really it. So you can see how easy I was able to get it out. This scooter weighs 41 pounds. And that is with the battery, so if you remove the battery, it probably brings down the weight under 40 pounds, probably like 37, 38 pounds. But the battery is lithium, so it's super lightweight as well. So as far as setting this up, one thing I'll tell you too, we have we got the keys in here, and then we also have the user manual. So I'm gonna set that off to the side, and let's get this unfolded. So right here on the tiller, you'll see this little yellow lever. That will allow these teeth to separate, and I can pull this up, and I can just kind of clamp it into place like that. And this would be the seat. So it unfolds by pressing this lever here. I just pull it up. And we can get the seat on here. Now usually when you get these products like a mobility scooter or power wheelchair from any company, they're not going to be fully charged, so we always recommend to charge them fully. It's probably a good idea just to charge it overnight, and then when you wake up in the morning it's finished charging. So this is going to set on the Velcro just like so. That's the seat, and here's the seat back, which is connected by Velcro on the back. So that's pretty simple to do. I'll connect this front basket part here. I'll show you a couple things about the tiller before I attach this. So the tiller is adjustable in angle. I'll just set it right here for now. And then you can also adjust the height. So it's a telescoping tiller. I'm gonna put my foot down here, telescope it up. And then you can see there's 3 areas of Velcro here. So to attach the bag, there's this piece that is actually inside the bag. So we just discovered that. And what you do with this is there's 2 little notches here, and you just slide this on like this. And that's how you would attach all the Velcro parts. So this piece wraps around the tiller. And then these actually go through here, these 2 little holes on each side, and that's how this is attached. Now, I feel like this is a little cumbersome to me. Maybe someone's got to mess with this, but this is your little storage area you have. You have to turn the battery on. There's an on and off switch. And then you use this yellow lever down here. This actually clamps or sort of clips into place, and now the battery is secured. So now when I do that, I turn the battery on, it cycles through, so now you can see the battery is on. So we'll go through some of the features on here. So as far as the tiller, you do have these two areas here. You can buy rear view mirrors, or you can buy like a cell phone holder and put them on either side. I'm not gonna take this other one off. Little rubber stoppers that go into these ports. But yeah, those are optional accessories. Now it is, you got your battery gauge here. And there's a speed control. So the speed control is just a switch. So you have your tortoise speed, and then you have your hare speed. This thing can go up to about 5 miles per hour. So it's a little faster for like a folding mobility scooter. I think having a dial is probably better for most people, but maybe that doesn't matter to you, but I personally prefer having a dial so you can be more precise on your speed. This, you just have two options. Has a horn, and then this is your headlight. So we got a front headlight here. It's really nice. It looks kind of like a high-end like electric vehicle type of lighting package. And then I believe there's lighting on the back too. Yeah, so you got lighting on the back too, which is nice. As far as the tiller, so it's a ambidextrous tiller. So whether you're left-handed or right-handed, like say you didn't have use of your left hand or your right hand, you can still operate the scooter. You can go forward or backwards. Now on the left side, it's just the opposite. So if you want to accelerate with your left hand, you have to pull it back. And to go in reverse, you just press it forward.
Another thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we receive that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video.
As far as folding it, just a few steps. So let me back up and we'll go through, because it's airline approved, you are going to have to remove the battery when you're flying with it. So typically what you're gonna have to do is remove the battery and then fold it and give it to the airline, and they'll check it for you. So I'll just turn it off for now, and we'll just remove the battery, which we showed you just a moment ago. I'm gonna turn off the battery and unclip this yellow lever and just pull it out. So this is what you would take on with you. Here's your fuse. If you ever needed to replace the fuse, it's very rare, but it's something that's really easy to access. And then you also have a fuse here as well. One thing I forgot to mention as well, there is a USB charging port, so you can charge your cellular device, which is really cool. But back to folding this. So you're gonna pull up this yellow clip, and there's two like hooks here that are hooking to these bars, so you can see how it moves. So when I pull that, this just simply folds down flat, just like that. Then I would telescope the tiller in. And it is a little tight just because we just got this, but once you're using it a few times, it'll loosen up and you'll be able to telescope it easily in and out and then lock it into place. And then next you would just unlatch this yellow lever and you just fold it down like that. And then I would lock it in place once you do that. So use this to clip it so the teeth are now secured here. And now this folds flat. I would also remove, this as well, which we just showed you. It's pretty easy to remove. But now when it's folded flat, you can set it up like this, which is great. It sets right up. One of the downsides I would say about the scooter is when you have it set up like this, you can't wheel it behind you. So I have heard that Private Mobility is coming out with some rear like anti-tip wheels that'll extend beyond that. So then you can just wheel this behind you. So that is one slight downfall. The only thing you can do to offset that is we have the freewheel lever. So if you put this, you can see right now it's in the drive position. This engages the electromagnetic brakes. You can press this up to put it into neutral, and then you can wheel it behind you like that, but it's still kind of tight.
Quick announcement, we are giving away a free mobility scooter. We do this monthly. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on any video. Once you've done those two things, you'll automatically be entered into the drawing for our next mobility scooter giveaway. We do announce the winner on our YouTube channel and all of our social media. So if you'd like to be entered into that drawing, just do those two things. Now back to the video.
Yeah, it's still pretty tight. Like, this is not going to be comfortable for most people. So I would say this is one little downfall, but they do have a solution in place for that, just based off of feedback from a lot of the dealers they have. Now, as far as transporting it, I like this part because if you put it in the back, you know, you can lift the whole thing if you're capable, obviously. It's only 41 pounds. Well, actually a little less because we removed the battery. But if you're not capable of lifting that, you can actually lift it up, put the front wheels into the back of your vehicle or the trunk of your SUV, just right on the lip of it, and then it distributes the weight, and then you can lift up the back part and just slide it right in. So really like that, to have that capability. The only other folding flat mobility scooter I'm aware of would be Golden Technologies has one, so they're pretty comparable. But this one, I think, has a nicer look to it. And then you don't have to remove the seat, whereas that one you do have to remove the seat. So as far as unfolding it, you know, pretty self-explanatory, but slide this back on this track here. I'll turn that on. And then this, you just loosen this clip again to bring the seat back up. Also on the tiller, this is the charging port, and what's really unique about this, a lot of the charging ports have like 3 prongs or 4 prongs and you have to line them up. This is a magnet. So all you have to do is get it close to here and just let go, and you can see it lights up, so now we know that it's charging. So really simple. There's no need to, if you had like limited dexterity in your hands, to like line up the holes into the ports. You just get it close and just let go. Just like that. So really simple. And I really like this. There's a couple other products that Pride has that offers this magnetic charging port, but really unique feature to Pride, and we like that too. As far as the wheels too, we'll mention that. There is 8-inch tires on the back. These are 7 inches. They're flat-free tires. They're not air-filled. You don't have to worry about getting flats. And then one other thing is there are optional armrests that you can add on to the chair. So it doesn't come standard with the armrest, but that's an additional charge. You can add them on. The one thing that I don't like about the armrest is you can't fold it with the armrest on. You'd have to remove them every time. But besides that, you know, if you're okay with not having armrest, I think it's real simple to fold, and it's easy to transport, and it's lightweight. But if the armrests are necessary for you, there is that option. So the reason why it's beeping is because I have it in freewheel mode. And I showed you that lever earlier, so all I have to do is press this lever down, and the beeping will stop. And you can go back to operating this. If you're looking for a super lightweight folding mobility scooter, it's airline approved, can get up to almost 5 miles per hour, can support 300 pounds of weight, has a lighting package. The Go-Go Super Portable is really a nice scooter, really high quality, obviously made by one of the best brands in the industry, arguably. They have excellent support, their warranty is excellent. They also have a 1-year labor contract. So if anything goes wrong within the first year and they're not able to resolve that with you through simple troubleshooting, they're gonna send a technician to your home to diagnose and resolve that issue for you. So if you have any questions about the Go-Go Super Portable or any of Pride Mobility's products, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.